OKX crypto investment platform review experience. Links to OKX's crypto investment platform are available in the description below. Let's get right into it. OKX is a leading cryptocurrency exchange that offers a comprehensive suite of features catering to both novice and professional traders. The platform supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and hundreds of altcoins, making it suitable for those looking to diversify their portfolios. OKX is best known for its advanced trading options, such as spot trading, margin trading, futures, and options, offering flexibility for traders with various investment strategies. One of OKX's standout features is its low trading fees. The platform offers a base fee of 0.1% for spot trades, with the ability to lower fees further through the OKB token or by trading in higher volumes. For margin traders, the interest rates are competitive, and futures trading also benefits from low fees. OKX also allows staking on multiple assets, so you can earn passive income by holding certain cryptocurrencies. The platform's interface is sleek and user-friendly, with advanced charting tools and real-time data to help traders make informed decisions. OKX also has a mobile app that mirrors the desktop platform, allowing users to trade on the go with ease. Whether you're looking for basic buy and hold options or advanced derivatives trading, OKX has the tools to meet your needs. Security is a key priority for OKX, offering features like two-factor authentication, 2FA, an insurance fund to protect user assets, and robust cold storage for funds. The platform also adheres to global regulations, ensuring users can trade with confidence. Overall, OKX is a solid platform for both beginner and advanced traders, offering competitive fees, a broad selection of cryptocurrencies, and a range of trading options. It's a great choice for anyone looking to get involved in the crypto market. Check the links in the description to explore OKX further and see if it's the right platform for you.